Assalamu alaikum, dear learners, dear viewers. Hope you are well. I am also well. Okay, dear learners, there is no class activities for a long time. For this reason, you also connect with online school. Okay, our Kocho Wazela has also a education system, that is Kocho Online School. Okay, I am also giving thanks to Kocho Online School. Okay, today I will take a class with you about a grammatical chapter. Okay, let's go. Welcome to everyone. Okay, identity. I am Zahid Sheikh, assistant teacher English, Mobaidul Islam High School, Kuchua, Bagirhat. Okay, next you can see two sentences. They are playing cricket. Next, cricket is being played by them. This is the example of a chapter, and I think you also know there is some about this. Okay, I will learn more about this. Okay, think something about these sentences, and you have to guess. Our today's text will be what the chapter. Okay, next. Okay, you also know this chapter will be voice. Okay, today we will learn about voice. At first you have to know voice is divided into two kinds. Voice is divided into two kinds. There are two kinds of voice: active voice and passive voice. Okay, learn. Voice is divided into two kinds: active voice and passive voice. Okay, in the exam question you have to face the change of the sentences active to passive and passive to active. At first you have to learn to make change active to passive. After this you will sure to change the passive to active, but first time you cannot make passive to active. Okay, today we will learn about active to passive voice changing system. Okay, for this reason you have to learn many rules. At first you have to learn about 5 rules. Without knowing the 5 rules you cannot know the voice change. Okay, next go. In the section you can see they are playing cricket. This is the example of a active voice, and you have to make it passive, and you can know about 5 rules. I also make it passive and underline the number of rules. At first cricket is being played by them. First time cricket, second is being, third time played, fourth time by, and the last them. Okay, this is the system of making passive, and then we will learn about the system. Okay, number 1, make subject of passive voice according to object of active voice. Clear? At first time you have to write the subject of passive voice according to the object of active voice. Number 2, write auxiliary verb according to tense. Okay, you have to know about tense before. If you do not have enough idea about tense, you cannot do it. For this reason, you have to know about tense before. Number 3, past participle form of principal verb. This is the chapter of conjugation of verb. You have to know about this before. Number 4, preposition by or any preposition if condition apply. In more cases, by is appropriate, but in some cases, other prepositions are suited. Okay, it will easy for you when you get it. Number 5, make object of passive voice according to the subject of active voice. In my previous slide, you also write 2 sentences. One is active and the next is passive. You also saw the underlined 5 number, and this is the description of the 5 numbers of rules. Okay, you have to know it very carefully. Without knowing this rule, you cannot make active to passive. Okay, next. Okay, I also call you. You have to make subject to object. In some cases, you have to make object to subject. If you find I in the subjective form, you have to make it me. If you find me in the objective form, in the time of making subject, you have to write I. As usual, the word you, he, she, we, they, it will make the right system. And last, any third person. If you find any third person, it will be same. Subjective form or objective form, that are the same. Okay, clear? Okay, in 5 numbers, the number 2 is the right auxiliary verb according to tense. Okay, now the time for you. You have to know about the auxiliary verbs according to tense. Okay, this is the 4 number of present tense. You can see in the board: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. And in the name of tense, you can see the auxiliary verb. In the time of making passive voice, you have to write the suitable auxiliary verb. In the first present indefinite tense, am oblique is oblique are. From this you have to write any one that also depends on your subject. If you have subject I, you will write am, and like this is oblique are, that are as usual you have to know. Okay, next, past tense. Past tense as like present tense, past indefinite tense, you have to write was oblique were. Past continuous tense, you have to write was being oblique were being. Past perfect tense, had been. Past perfect continuous tense, had been being. Okay, clear? Now the time for future tense. Future indefinite tense, you have to write shall be oblique will be. Future continuous tense, shall be being oblique will be being. Future perfect tense, shall have been oblique will have been. Future perfect continuous tense, shall have been being oblique will have been being. Okay, clear? You also know about the 5 rules, and I think there is no problem for making passive voice. You also know subject to object and the rules of writing auxiliary verbs. Okay, next. Okay, you can see some sentences. If you do not identify the names of tense of the sentence, you cannot make passive. Okay, so first time you have to identify the tense. I also show you some sentences for your identifying the names of tense. Okay, I also read the sentences. We eat rice. I have seen the boy. He gave the bell. They are making a noise. She will help me. Okay, this is the time for you. You have to identify the name of the tense of the sentences. Okay, guess some time for the next word. Okay, I also do easy for you. We eat rice, present indefinite tense. I have seen the boy, present perfect tense. He gave the pen, past indefinite tense. They are making a noise, present continuous tense. She will help me, future indefinite tense. Okay, next. With the sentence, according to rule, you have to make the sentences active to passive. Okay, let's go. Okay, these are the same sentences. You also identify the name of the tense, and according to the rules I have also shown you in previous slide. With the help of the slide you have to try make it passive. Okay, try something and you have to write on your notebook, and after this I will show you the answer of the sentences. I also make them passive. Okay, try something. These are the answers of the sentences. First sentence, you can see we eat rice. I also make it passive. First time, rule 1, you have to write subject according to the object of passive active voice. Rice, it is the object of active voice. You have to write it passive voice subject. Okay, this is the third person, and so I also write rice, same. Number 2 rule is this is the example of present indefinite tense. You have to write am/is/are. In the section is the appropriate auxiliary verb. Number 3, past participle form of principal verb. Eat is the principal verb of the sentence, and you have to past participle form of the word eat, eaten. Number 4, preposition by, and the last you have to write object of passive voice according to the subject of active voice. In the slide subject to object, we also see this is the subjective form, and we have to write the objective form, that is us. Okay, I also make easy for you for the first sentence. As usual as the rule, other sentences you can see the passive form of the sentences. Okay, clear? I think you also learned the system of making passive voice. Okay, for the first class of voice, I also first section show you. With the help of my class, you have to write more 10 sentences that will be active to passive voice, and it will show you to your family members or your teachers when you get your teachers. Okay, this is the end of the class, and the slide will easy for you, and you will follow the examples. Okay, this is the last position of the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all. Okay.